2004 Ford Cobra, 19,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. To me, it doesn't matter what generation Mustang you are in. If you're in an old school Mustang, Fox body Mustang, something a little bit later model like an 03, 04 Terminator Cobra, even the new stuff, I don't think it gets better of a driving experience and driving sounds than an 03, 04 SVT Cobra. This is a 2004 Terminator Cobra with 19,100.8 miles. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. A very, very clean car front to back. Couple small little day one modifications. It has an aftermarket pulley and an aftermarket cold air style intake. The original equipment does come with it. You'll see a photo of that in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. But it still retains its original numbers matching, supercharged 4.6. It's got the factory Eaton supercharger. Other than the pulley, that's really going to be about it for the motor. And then again, the JLP cold air intake. You do have, I think they're Flowmaster catback exhaust system, so mufflers have been changed. Then you have full tailpipes coming out the back. Letting it warm up here just a little bit, but you get that killer Terminator supercharger whine, and then obviously the great exhaust note. It doesn't matter if it's the Flowmasters, the Magnaflows, the Borlas, whatever you put on these cars, they sound just menacing. This is a great example with 19,000 miles. You have all your standard equipment, cold AC, disc brakes, factory steering setup, so nothing's been changed with any of that. So really no modifications outside of, again, the mufflers, the pulley, and the cold air intake. On the interior, it's code M2, which is your medium graphite and suede insert interior. Clean as you're really gonna find for a 19,000 mile car. Dash is excellent, console looks great. Factory SVT white face gauges, headliner visors, all of that is very clean. Seat covers front and rear are both very nice. Just a little bit of bolster wear. It's super minimal on the edge of the driver's seat here. It's almost inevitable just the way you get in and out of these cars. You have just a little bit of bolster wear, and it's really not even worth mentioning. Downshifts exactly like it should. Clutch feels great. Carpets, floor mats, door panels, everything on the inside of this Cobra is very nice. In the additional media section on the website, again, pcclassiccars.com, you will see that everything is going to be listed as a yes on this one. Gauges, lights, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, it is all ready to go. The only disclaimer I have on this one is the notorious little traction light button is staying on. It's pretty much a 50-50 shot on these 03, 04 Cobras and the 03, 04 Mach 1s that the little traction control light stays on. So when you push the button, the little light doesn't go on and off. That's really the only disclaimer on this car. But everything else works. In that additional media section, you'll see photos of the little imperfections on the car. You'll see the clean Carfax, and you will see that does it work section, which will be a screenshot, which will have everything listed as a yes. So when these couple cars go here, we'll go ahead and get in the throttle some. We won't get too crazy and get sideways, but definitely runs well with that aftermarket pulley. Normally these are factory rated at 390 horse and 390 foot-pounds of torque, which was definitely underrated for the 03s and 04s. I'm pretty sure they made more than that. With the aftermarket pulley, the exhaust, and the cold air intake, it's probably another 50, 60 horsepower, so you're somewhere mid 400s, probably a little bit more if I had to guess. I don't have a dyno sheet on it, but it's all just bolt-on stuff, so getting into the mid fours like that's not hard to do, just a couple little things like this car's had done. We'll get an opportunity to really get in the throttle one more time here. We do have some traffic, so we can't get crazy with it, but it performs like a brand new car. On the underneath, nothing to note. Floors are in excellent condition. The frame rails look great. Minor surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but it's inevitable that that's going to happen. No problems of any kind. Again, it's a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported on this one. On the exterior, it's code YN, which is your silver metallic paint. It is original paint. It's got some little touch-ups. You're gonna get that stuff from an 04. It's just inevitable. Sitting in a garage with the car cover on it, people walk by, you get little scuffs. There's a couple little scuffs on the the driver's side quarter panel over here. A couple little scuffs on the front of the bumper. Front of the hood's got a few little stone chips. All very minor stuff, nothing that scares me away. I love the silver on these cars. I think it's an excellent color. But in that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com, you'll see photos of all the little imperfections that I personally take photos of. So make sure you guys check that out. But overall, still an excellent car, very clean front to back. Factory SVT wheels. Tires are a 2014 date code, so they are a little bit older on the tires, but I see no dry rot, no cracking, no problems of any kind with the tires, no hard spots rolling down the road. And just another note there, I know y'all can see it, but shifting down through the gears, the clutch feels great. Note to self, don't wear boots when you're driving a Cobra. The pedals are a little close, and I got big ass feet. Suspension is gonna be your factory Terminator suspension. It's got the independent rear suspension in the back that these cars are known for. Performs excellent. No pulls left, no pulls right, really no squeaks, rattles, shakes. Nothing to note on the suspension or the steering. It goes exactly where you want it to go. You can take these cars out and track them if you want to and drive them every single day. Keep it as a collectible, which is what it is. Driving position, excellent. These seats are very comfortable, like sports style seats with the bolster that kind of holds you in place. It is a power adjustable seat over here. Again, to be honest, I don't think anyone's ever really sat in the back seat. You have your tilt, you have your cruise, you have your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, you have your rear defrost, you have your fog light button, all of that stuff works. Again, the only thing is gonna be that traction control light, which is staying on. Glass is in excellent condition. I don't really see any major issues with the windshield. Side mirrors look good, back glass is that rear defrost, and then all of your mirrors, left, right, and back glass, rear view mirror, sorry, can't talk. All that looks good. And there's that supercharger whine for you that these cars are just so known for. One of the best sounding cars for the motor and the exhaust note that these cars produce. Pulls really hard for just being a minor bolt-on car. When you pop the trunk, everything's OE spec back there. The factory carpet style inlay that these were born with, it's all factory back there. When you pop the hood, it does look very OE outside of the fact that it does have the pulley, the cold air intake. I do have the original pulley and the original intake if someone wants to put those back on the car, and I have the pulley cover, which is always gone. So you will see photos of that in the additional media section. So if someone wanted to put it back to stock outside of the exhaust, you could. Fluids are all good, charging system's doing its job. Gauges, including the boost gauge there, all that stuff works. AC's nice and cold, heat blows hot. Factory stereo works. To be honest, I don't know if the CD changer works. I don't have any CDs to put in there, but the stereo itself works. Center console's good. Glove box is good. You have your owner's manual in there as well. Let's take a peek at our owner's manual. There you go. Got your nice owner's manual. No window sticker on this one, unfortunately, but you can get an aftermarket one. I believe you can get those made still. See if I can get that closed. Maybe. Michael can't close the glove box. There we go. Oh, we have a truck. We're gonna go. And there's a little bit more of a pull for you. As always, I'm Michael. This is an 04 Terminator Cobra, 19,000 documented miles, very clean front to back. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we always appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting every single day across all of our social platforms, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.